Alright, do you want to set your email address visibility to everyone in your Facebook profile and you don't know how to do that? Then don't you worry because you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to tell you the exact way how to set your email address visibility to everyone. So before we start, my name is Tork and you're watching the Starkness Get YouTube channel on which I upload the tricks and tutorials for all of the social media apps. So what are you waiting for? Just hit that subscribe button down below and press that well, I can just stay connected. Thanks, guys. So let's dive into it. First of all, just simply open up your Facebook app and then tap on the profile picture in the top right corner and then tap on the gear to open up settings and privacy. Once you come to your settings and privacy, just simply tap on privacy checkup. Once you tap on it, just go for how people can find you on Facebook and tap continue and tap next. And here we get the option of phone number and email address. Just simply tap at email address and set it to friends or friends in order to set it to everyone. We have a lot of friends and our friends have a lot of friends. Or you can just set the option according to your requirements. Once you set it, just here you can also set it for your like phone number, friends or friends or whatever you want. Once you're done with it, tap at next and tap review another topic. So that's how you can easily set your email address visibility to everyone or to friends of friends. So I would help you guys, and if you have any question, just leave me in the comment section below and I'll be in the next video. Thanks guys, and do not forget to check the latest video on the screen. Goodbye to the next video.